Welcome back to tutorial 2 of the text base on processing in Java. And what we're going to be doing in this tutorial is going over the basic outlay of processing in Java. So what we're going to have on our basic screen is once you've downloaded our processing is just some blank screen. And what we're going to want to do first is just go ahead and save our file, give it a name. You can just name it whatever you want, put it in a folder, put it on your desktop, put it wherever you want. And we're going to go to this screen. So the first thing we're going to want to do is just like any other programming language, well, not any other one, but most programming languages, we're going to have some layout. So what a layout is where do we write our code? And, how do we section that code off? So first things first, what we need to do in Java is set up a function called setup. So it's called setup. It takes no parameters, and if you don't know, parentheses denote parameters. Just remember that in programming languages, that's how it almost always is. And those parameters we'll go over later. So just for now, just type void setup, a set of parentheses, and curly braces. Now you notice I left space between the curly braces. That's because we're going to be writing something inside setup. So our code's going to go inside setup. That's all we need to know for right now. And then we're going to have another one that just looks like just like that. And this one's going to be called draw. And another set of curly braces. And just for fun, we'll add these last two, which we're probably not going to go over till, a few videos from now. But these last two are just some interesting ones that'll give you more of a representation of what we're going to be going over in the following videos. So as you can see, there's the setup, draw, mouse pressed, and key pressed, and mouse pressed and key pressed are obvious. We're going to have some function, which is going to be void mouse pressed, and it's going to run this code when the mouse is pressed, and same for key pressed. It's going to run this code when some key is pressed. So we'll go over that later, what that means, but for right now, this is just the basic layout of Java and what you're going to run, remember. So you don't have to have these in. Again, I like to have them just because in most programs you'll probably use them. But again, you don't have to have those functions. You can just have the setup and draw, but setup is necessary to have every single time, and draw as well. So you're going to want to have these two. And if you do want to just leave mouse pressed and key pressed on there, that's fine as well. But to reduce complication, I guess you probably just want to take those out for right now. So that's basically all we need to do for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we're going to be going over furthering our knowledge of Java and what these functions mean, and it all start to make sense from there on. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.